jumping workouts and their everyday benefits. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness junkie, jumping exercises can seriously elevate your routine and bring about some fantastic perks for your body. So, let's jump right in, literally. First off, let's break down the different types of jumping exercises you can incorporate into your daily routine. From classic moves like jump squats and box jumps to more dynamic options like jump rope and plyometrics, there's a wide array of exercises that'll get you off the ground and your heart pumping. Now, let's talk benefits. 1-point energy boost. Have you ever experienced that surge of energy after a few minutes of jumping around? It's like flipping a switch. Jumping exercises get your heart pumping, sending oxygen-rich blood throughout your body and waking up every cell. Think about it. Those moments when you're feeling a bit sluggish and a quick session of jumping jacks or skipping rope completely changes the game. It's like a natural shot of espresso without the jitters or caffeine crash. This burst of energy isn't just a fleeting sensation either. Regular jumping exercises help improve your body's stamina over time, meaning you'll have more energy to tackle your day-to-day activities without feeling drained. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of space to benefit from this energy boost. Just a few minutes of jumping in place can get your blood flowing and leave you feeling invigorated. So next time you're feeling low on energy, skip the energy drinks and try a quick jumping session instead. Your body will thank you for it. 2. Strength and tone. Jumping exercises are like a full-body symphony for your muscles. When you jump, you engage a variety of muscle groups, from your legs and glutes to your core and even your arms. Ever felt that satisfying burn after a session of jumping jacks or skipping rope? That's your muscles at work. These exercises help to tone and strengthen your lower body, giving those legs definition and power. But it doesn't stop there. The act of jumping also activates your core muscles to stabilize your body mid-air, leading to improved core strength over time. Even your arms get in on the action, especially when you incorporate movements like arm circles or high knees. With consistent practice, jumping exercises can lead to increased muscle endurance. You'll find that daily tasks become easier as your muscles become more resilient. 3. Cardiovascular boost. Jumping exercises are like a party for your heart. When you engage in activities like jumping jacks, skipping rope, or even trampoline workouts, you're giving your cardiovascular system a serious workout. Picture this. With each jump, your heart rate increases. This jump starts your circulation, sending oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, which is a fantastic way to keep your heart healthy and strong. Regularly incorporating jumping exercises into your routine can have a similar effect to cardiovascular workouts like running or cycling. It helps improve your heart's efficiency, making it stronger and better able to pump blood throughout your body. It's not just about getting your heart rate up, it's also about maintaining a healthy heart rate. Jumping exercises help regulate and maintain a steady heart rate over time, which is essential for overall heart health. 4. Enhanced coordination and agility. Jumping exercises aren't just about the ups and downs. They're fantastic for improving your balance and coordination too. Think about it. Every time you jump, your body adjusts to maintain stability mid-air and upon landing. When you engage in jumping activities like jumping rope or doing plyometric exercises, you challenge your body's proprioception. That's your body's awareness of its position in space. This constant challenge helps improve your balance and spatial awareness. Moreover, as you perform various jumping movements, your brain and muscles coordinate to execute these actions effectively. This coordination between your brain, muscles, and nervous system gets a good workout, ultimately enhancing your overall coordination skills. 5. Mental boost. Believe it or not, jumping exercises don't just work wonders for your body, they're fantastic for your mind too. When you engage in jumping activities, your brain releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins. These endorphins act as natural mood lifters, helping to reduce stress and anxiety levels. That post-jump session feeling of euphoria, that's the endorphins doing their magic, leaving you feeling more positive and relaxed. Moreover, jumping exercises can serve as a form of active meditation. As you focus on the rhythm of your jumps or the coordination of your movements, it's a chance to clear your mind of daily stresses and simply be present in the moment. Regularly incorporating these exercises into your routine can also enhance your cognitive function. The increased blood flow and oxygenation to the brain during physical activity, including jumping, can improve your concentration and mental clarity. 6. Calorie torching. When it comes to burning calories, jumping exercises are a powerhouse. They're high intensity, which means they torch calories in a relatively short amount of time. Activities like jumping jacks, high knees, or box jumps elevate your heart rate and engage multiple muscle groups, resulting in increased calorie expenditure. Moreover, jumping exercises are a form of cardiovascular exercise, meaning they get your heart pumping and your body sweating. This elevated heart rate helps you burn fat, making it an effective tool in your weight loss journey. Incorporating jumping exercises into your routine, combined with a balanced diet, can contribute significantly to your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to include these exercises regularly to maximize their weight loss benefits and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, fitter you. Jumping exercises can offer incredible benefits, but like any physical activity, they do come with some risks, especially if not done correctly or if you have certain health conditions. Here are a few potential risks associated with jumping exercises. 1. Injury. Risk. Jumping puts stress on your joints, particularly the knees and ankles. If done improperly or excessively, it can lead to strains, sprains, or even more severe injuries like tendonitis or stress fractures. 2. Impact on joints. Individuals with existing joint issues, such as arthritis or previous joint injuries, might find jumping exercises uncomfortable or exacerbating. The repetitive impact can put additional strain on these areas. 3. Cardiovascular stress. High-intensity jumping exercises can significantly increase your heart rate. For individuals with heart conditions or high blood pressure, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before engaging in rigorous jumping workouts. 4. Overexertion. Pushing too hard or attempting advanced jumping exercises without proper conditioning can lead to overexertion and fatigue. This may increase the risk of injury and hamper your progress. To mitigate these risks, proper technique. Ensure you're using correct form and technique when performing jumping exercises to minimize the risk of injury. Gradual progression. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to allow your body to adapt. Appropriate footwear. Wearing proper shoes with sufficient support can help reduce impact on your joints. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up before jumping exercises and cool down afterward to reduce the risk of injury. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any discomfort or pain. If something doesn't feel right, it's crucial to stop and reassess. Before starting any new exercise regimen, especially one involving high-impact activities like jumping, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or concerns. They can provide guidance tailored to your individual needs and help you exercise safely.